Right, now these are what I use to sharpen chisels and plain blades on. It's a piece of glass and just some emery paper stuck to the back of it. We'll start with 240 and a little bit of lubrication on it. And here's the blade, so we'll try and sharpen it first of all. You can see how the metal starts to come through almost immediately, and we're going to go from 240 up to about 2,500. But also, we don't just want this blade shiny at one end, I want the whole thing shiny, because you do look at it. So that's all we do, and it might take me 20 minutes, it might take me an hour and a half. But however long it takes me, gradually this metal is going to start to shine and to achieve the edge that it once had, and that's what you need. Now I've had a go at this one, and you can see it's coming a little bit shiny, but this pitting is deeper than I thought, and I think I'm going to have to get the big guns out for this one. And when I say the big guns, I'm going to tickle it first of all with this 120 grit flat disc on an angle grinder. I can go lower, but hopefully this will do it. Now that was a level of success I wasn't really expecting as quickly as that, but look how lovely that has come. They're not quite all gone yet, the pits, but we will get rid of them. I'm now going to move on to a random orbital sander. We're going to use 150 grit. We've been on 120 and we'll work our way up to 3000. But before we do, the stuff that comes off this is pretty horrible. I would recommend every time wear a breathing mask like this one.